Alright, what's the deal, YouTube? It's SRT Show, and today we about to be cutting up in track mode today. No cap, we about to get straight into it. I did a track mode video in a minute, so you know we about to cut up in track mode. Shit already sounding loud as hell. I'm not gonna lie, I should have put that fucking bag in the back, in the trunk, cause like that shit gonna be like making a lot of crinkly noises. But fuck it. Damn, that almost got away from me. No cap. This bitch pulling today. No cap. Shit. That shit literally just like went to the right and then left. I think it might be time for some new tires. No cap. When I got my oil changed, that's what they said. They said it's time for me to like rotate these bitches or get rid of them. I'm like, bro, I just got these bitches. What you mean? Damn. Bro, the fucking torque in this car is fucking crazy. Let me roll down the back windows, get y'all some noise. This bitch feels so light, like y'all don't even understand. Like this bitch literally feel like it's floating right now, like shit. Bro, for my next video, I should do like launch control at every light. I'm not gonna lie. I always wanted to do a launch control video at every light, but like, shit. It was like so many like fucking people driving that day, the day I wanted to do it, so I said I'd have to do another video. Shit, bro. This car is fucking crazy. Bro, this road is like, bro, I don't know if y'all see the way my car moving and hear the bumps. Like, this road is not it for track mode. No cap. You feel every single bump. Like every bump. Like, shit. Bro, look at that lifted ass truck, bro. That shit lifted as fuck. Second gear. Of course it would be a car right there. I'm scared I'm gonna like fling out and hit that bitch. I'm gonna just do it lightly. See, almost flung out right there. Shit! Oh my god! Bro, track mode is something else, bro. No cap. Just wait till I get my exhaust kit, bro. I'm about to go crazy. Bro, Scatpacks feel so good in lower gears, like it don't even make no sense. Like you just feel so much torque. Like shit. Like bro, Scats or just like Hemis in general, bro, like the torque in these bitches is insane. Like bro, these bitches move in lower gears. Bendies. Bro, I was at the gas station and somebody said, you in that Hellcat? And I said, hell no, I'm in that Scatpack. Bruh, he just like something, man. That shit was funny as hell, bro. But he probably don't even know the difference though. It is what it is though. That dude was older anyways. But no, he was cool as hell. That shit was funny as fuck though. I should have been recording. Cause I literally just took my head mount off. No cap, bro. That sun bright as fuck. Oh, the bro got his hazards on. Never mind, that's a female. Makes sense now. No offense to my female viewers though. No offense, no offense. Like, why the fuck is she driving with her hazards on? She still got them bitches on too. Like, bro, what is you doing? She must got like a flat or something, bro. Bro, is this light ever gonna fucking change? Damn. I gotta stop cussing, bro. Next video, I'm gonna practice no cussing. I swear to God, like, I gotta stop cussing so much. I'll be watching my videos back and I'll be like shit every video. I say shit like literally every video. I gotta stop doing that. That shit is not good for my younger audience. Shit. Oh my God, I said it again. Bro, it just be like, bro, this car be so shocking to me still. Like, I'm still not used to this shit. Like, all this damn power. It may just be a scat, but like, I'm coming from an RT, so like, shit is like, damn, like, you know what I'm saying? Shit. Shit. Oh my God. Bro. I'm about to give y'all a launch just to end off the video. No cap. I'm about to give y'all a launch real quick. How you do this shit? Launch. I said launch. There we go. All right. Let me hurry before a car comes. Oh, here come a car right now. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give y'all one launch, you know, and we gonna end the video. Next video, I might try to do a launch control video, but you know, it just depends on how to, you know, outside looking. But here we go. Nah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all later though. You know, make sure y'all follow me on the gram at SRT Show. You know, other than that, I'm out this bitch, man. Peace.